Hi, I'm Elia from QMetrix. Welcome to today's episode of 2-Minute Tuesdays.
In today's video, let's look at the manual data export process in Adaptive. Within integration, select Export Data. Firstly, let's select the version to export from. Then, we're going to configure the export format. For our accounts, let's select names and codes. And for our levels and dimensions, we can select whether to include just the codes, names, display names, or any combination of the three. Then, let's choose the accounts to export the data for. Right-clicking on the parent will allow us to include or exclude the descendants from being exported. Then, we can select which levels to be included in the export. Moving on, let's specify the range of data for the export. We can select a specific time period, or we can leave it as the default, which is from the start to the end of the version. If the data to be exported is dimensionalized and would like to include this dimensionality, we can select which dimensions to also be included in the export. Next, if the instance is multi-currency, we can select which currency to export the data in, or we can just leave it as the default, which is using each level's currency. And lastly, we can select whether to include or exclude accounts, levels, and time rollups in our export. After we've configured all our settings, we can hit Export Data. A cool tip here is that the selections we make will be retained across the different versions. If we needed to export the same data across multiple versions, we can do that very easily.
Do you need help with Workday Adaptive Planning? QMetrix provides a health check to assess and optimize your adaptive planning instance. For more information, contact us using the details provided below.